In this video, we're going to talk about how you can get free shipping on Temu. So what you want to do is open up the app itself. Now, if you're a new user, your first order will have free shipping, so that's easy to do. But what if you're an older user? So what you want to do is go into EU. So you will click on EU. And then right here, we will go into coupons and offers. So from here, you want to first check if you have any coupons or offers that give you free shipping. If you don't have any coupons or offers for free shipping on Temu, then the second method will be meeting a minimum threshold for free shipping. What I mean by that is if you're ordering items, for example, here, let's try to purchase these pants. If the item costs more than $10, usually you will have free shipping. So as you can see here, my cart currently is or qualifies for free shipping. Right here you can see free shipping, free standard shipping. You can read through all of the information here. So as long as you see this message here, free shipping, then you are good to go. And that you do that by meeting a minimum threshold for the items which you're trying to purchase. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.